Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV, with one of my favorite people from one of my favorite manufacturers, Chris Mudgett, B&T, looking at the new Print X suppressors. Chris, tell me everything about them, but let's start with the name. Why is it called the Print X?
So it's actually called the Print XH. So H stands for hybrid. So we have cracked the code on a 3D printed hybrid material suppressor. So we have what we have here is a titanium suppressor that has a 718 Inconel insert and a stainless steel end cap. So this, and it weighs 9 ounces, by the way. So we got a subcompact and we've got a full size. Full size weighs about 11 ounces. They are reduced back pressure system. They're a high flow, low back pressure suppressor. You can put them on machine guns. There's no barrel length restriction. They're full auto rated, but they're, like I said, you've got all the benefits of an Inconel suppressor with the lightweight of a titanium suppressor. So these things, we took 10 of these suppressors to 22,000 rounds each. And how we did that was the SOCOM reliability test, which is 240 rounds of select fire and aggressive semi-automatic firing, and we repeated that 95 times over a 3-day period. So these things are like legit cutting edge, state-of-the-art assault rifle suppressor.
That's insane, man. That's
Dude.
insane. I can't believe it. I know you and I talked about it a little bit before we got to the show, but hearing this for the first time, holy shit. I mean, it's funny you say like crack the code and it's like, all right, suppressors, such a crowded market. Everybody's got their gimmick or whatever. But the problem, I love titanium suppressors. I absolutely love them because they're lightweight. But the problem, you have heat erosion, right?
That, and you have sparking. So we've again cracked the code. So we figured out where the sparking are. So that's where the Inconel insert of the blast baffle and the stainless steel end cap, and we type 2 anodize these, and that all but eliminates all the sparking from a titanium suppressor. It's amazing.
So essentially what you've done is retain the benefits of titanium, i.e. lightweight, while taking away from the detrimental aspects of it being sparking and the fact, when you have Inconel in these suppressors, I assume that's going to, well, you guys have proven it, increase its durability.
100%. Like I said, we've been working on these for a while. We worked on them for a huge contract, and nobody can out-engineer us at this point. And the way we're able to do that is we've got engineering teams on 2 different continents. So essentially the Swiss wake up and they do an 8 or 10 hour day. They're engineering teams, and at the end of their day is the beginning of our day. They hand that project off to the U.S.-based engineers. We work on that for 8 to 10 hours, and when we're done, we flip it over. And it's a vicious cycle. Like, how do you compete?
Yeah.
So, like I said, we've cracked the code. They're amazing. Even this little guy, it's a subcompact, is hearing safe on an 11.5-inch 5.56. Barely, but it is.
And I think what's really neat is you're also sticking with hub compatibility.
Yep, 100%. So they are hub compatible. This the black one is a Silencer Shop exclusive suppressor. So it has a high temp black Cerakote. It is also Type 2 anodized underneath that, and it comes with a branded Silencer Shop direct mount hub as well. We're also going to offer them on the commercial market, but they're bead blasted. And
the 2 most important questions of SHOT Show, and what I'm going to say before I flip the mic over to you is that I don't know how you guys have done it, but somehow Swiss engineering being affordable, y'all have just been crushing it. You've been straight up crushing it with really, really good suppressors at a very affordable price point. Now, I am preparing myself for bad news. I have no idea what these are going to sell for, but again, I'm expecting something competitive. So are they. Don't disappoint them, Chris. What are we doing?
So again, they are competitive. So street price, I think they're $1,000, $1,050, and if you buy them through Silencer Shop, their Silencer Shop's going to pay for the tax stamp. So you're at $800, $850
for a titanium hybrid suppressor.
Man, it is the best assault rifle suppressor on the market right now. Like, period, end of story. So yeah, like,
in your unbiased opinion,
I'm just saying. No, I own like about 50 suppressors of my own from other manufacturers. Like, I've been at this for a while. You know that based on my background. I'm just saying, like, based on my experience, they are by far the most cutting edge suppressor you can buy.
Well, I'm really excited. Mine showed up. My review copy showed up a day before I left for SHOT. So I'm stoked about it, Chris, as usual. Yeah, I know, man. I mean, I love titanium suppressors. I love the fact that it seems like You guys have figured out what the problems are with traditional titanium suppressors. You fixed them. You got a durable but lightweight can that, for $850 for a titanium can, essentially after they pay for your tax stamp, this is the one to beat. Like, this is the one to beat. So congratulations, Uncle Carl. I appreciate you. I think you've done a fantastic job with this. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2025.